We'll guide you through how to add Notion database to Notion calendar. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, make your way to your main computer desktop. Search for the Google Chrome desktop and wait until it opens up. After the browser is ready, move your attention toward the center section of the window and click inside the search bar. Type notion.com carefully, then press the Enter key on your keyboard to visit the official Notion website. Give the page a brief moment to finish loading completely before moving on to the next step. Once the homepage is visible, direct your eyes toward the upper right corner of the website where the available options are displayed. Hover your mouse over the button labeled Open Notion and click it one time to continue. Your Notion workspace will then open on the screen, allowing you to access your pages and databases. Look toward the left sidebar menu inside your workspace and locate the calendar page from the available navigation options. Hover your mouse over the calendar page and click it once so the page opens successfully. After the calendar page appears, shift your attention to the upper right area of the page and look for the Manage in Calendar button. Press the button one time, and a new browser tab will automatically open, taking you to Notion Calendar. Wait a few moments while Notion Calendar loads completely, then move your focus to the lower left sidebar. Hover your mouse over the plus icon labeled Add Notion Database and left-click it once so a search menu appears on the screen. Inside the search menu, find your Content Calendar database and click it once to select it. Another selection menu will appear afterward, so hover your mouse over your preferred database, such as All Content, and click it once. Finally, look at your calendar to confirm that the events from your selected database have now been successfully added and are displayed correctly.